Okay, so we're going to very briefly unbox Panasonic FZ-55. These are the newer ones. They're replacing a lot of the CF-54 and CF-53s that are out there. Lovely piece of kit. What I'm going to do is, on this video, I'm just going to unbox it and we'll look at what's inside the box when you get them brand new. This has already been opened by our third-party asset people, but everything in there is as it would be if you were buying it brand new. So I will take my knife to it and we'll be back in 1 second. Okay, so the box comes open, lots of flaps, lots of good packaging, and we'll slide it out onto the table so we can all see what order it comes out in. So up on one side, some plastic, imagine this. So there are power supply, Panasonic marked, which is always good. More packaging. Cardboard with the book. On this one occasion, I'm going to say I'll probably know what's in there. And cardboard. Okay, we're actually bringing the item out now. We will just see what else is in the box and then we can make some space. That's power lead. Okay, more packaging. More of the plastic cups. Okay, so we can get rid of the box. So what we've ended up with is power supply, power lead with the UK plug, and the laptop itself in its bag. So just 1 second. I've had to remove any distinguishing marks on this, so there'll just be a brief pause while I put some stickies over serial numbers and stuff. Back in a second. Okay, so the brief tour, and I'm not sure how good this is going to be, is you get the clip on the front to open the lid. When you first get them, there's a gauze cover for the screen, and it's pretty much a Toughbook. It's got the Intel V Pro, it's touchpad, mice. How are we going to do this? Okay, on the side, you have SD card and headphone socket, multiple USB, looks like USB-C there, and a network card. USB-A, USB-C network card, that works. You've got power in. You've got power in. On the front you've got a nice good handle, and on the other side you've got removable bays, battery, and I guess you could put a DVD player in there. That's about it really. We use a lot of these all over the business. They survive just about anything, and that's it. That's what you get when you take a Toughbook FZ-55 out of the box. Thank you. I'll see you again.